Yesterday we put Grok 4.5 in the terminal with Grok Build. Today we compare the 3 lanes most builders actually use. Grok Build CLI in the terminal. Cursor as an AI native editor. VS Code with agent extensions, including community Grok Build bridges and other agent protocols. Same goal. Ship better code faster. Different surfaces. Different defaults. Different failure modes. This is not brand war. It is workload design. Pick a lane that matches how you think, then keep a backup lane for when the first one stalls. Lane 1. Grok Build. Terminal first. Powered by Grok 4.5. Plan mode before edits. Subagents in parallel. Skills, hooks, MCP, agents.md. Headless mode for CI. Full screen TUI for deep sessions. Best when you live in shell, Git, and multi-repo worktrees. Best when you want agent control without living inside one IDE. Weakness. If you need pixel-perfect UI editing and constant visual feedback, a full IDE still wins. Weakness. Teams standardized on one editor may resist a pure terminal agent until it proves itself on greenfield and scripts. Lane 2. Cursor. AI native editor. Inline edits, chat, multi-file agents, and model choice including Grok 4.5 on supported plans. Best when you want the model inside the same window as the file tree, diffs, and preview. Best for product UI work and rapid iteration with visual context. Cursor trained with XAI on real developer activity for Grok 4.5, so the model fit is intentional. Weakness. You are still in an editor product with its own pricing, habits, and cloud assumptions. Weakness. Heavy terminal ops, remote SSH farms, and pure headless pipelines still lean CLI. Many teams run Cursor for day coding and Grok Build for plan-heavy refactors or scripts. Lane 3. VS Code. The default IDE for millions. Agent extensions, Copilot-style agents, and community Grok Build for VS Code that talks to the official CLI through the agent client protocol. Best when your company standard is VS Code extensions, remote containers, and existing key bindings. Best when you need one shell for every language extension you already installed. Weakness. Agent quality depends on which extension and which model backend you wire. Weakness. More setup surface means more ways to misconfigure. The win is familiarity. The risk is fragmentation. Document one approved VS Code agent path for the team or you get 5 shadow setups. Use this matrix. Large multi-repo refactor with plan approval. Grok Build plan mode first. UI feature with live preview. Cursor. Company mandated versus code remote containers. VS Code agent path with one approved extension. CI and bots. Grok Build headless. Learning a new codebase. Any lane, but force the same inspect prompt and compare answers. Hard auth or payments change. Plan mode only, no auto apply. Bulk mechanical renames. Terminal agent or scripted headless. Pairing with the designer watching the screen. Cursor or VS Code. Pairing with a backend on SSH only. Grok Build. Write the matrix on a wiki page. Arguments end faster. Every lane burns tokens. Cursor and VS Code agents hide cost in seats and model pickers. Grok Build can use subscription paths or API keys. Track the same metrics either way. Tokens per PR. Human edit distance. Time to green tests. Failed agent loops. Cap retries in every tool. Prefer plan mode on expensive models. Prefer flash or chat models for explain this file only. Multi-provider routing still applies. If Grok 4.5 is primary in one lane, keep a backup model for outages. Do not run 3 agents on the same task in parallel for fun. That is how bills explode. Your move. Pick one primary lane for 2 weeks. Grok Build, Cursor, or VS Code. Run the same 5 tasks in that lane only. Architecture inspect. Small bug fix. Multi-file feature. Plan mode refactor. One headless or scripted run. Score quality and friction. Then keep a secondary lane for edge cases. Tune in tomorrow. We build a team standard for AI coding agents. Agents.md, review rules, and when humans must approve. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.